Welcome again to EduSkills OET Made Easy. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. If you're watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our work and share to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum number of OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling to crack OET. Today we are dealing with writing step by step. As I said, we have 21 steps to go. Today we'll be looking into how to form compound sentences. Compound sentence, simple sentences. You have two simple sentences. The foundation stone was laid in 1834. Just imagine a hospital foundation stone was laid in 1834. I'm giving a general example, then we'll go to case notes. Second simple sentence, the hospital opened in 1837. These are two simple sentences. Now we have to make it a compound sentence. You see, the foundation stone was laid in 1834. The conjunction, coordinating conjunction we call it. There are also subordinating conjunctions, which we will see later. The foundation was laid in 1834, and this is the same sentence. The hospital opened in 1837. So no difference, no changes made between two simple sentences. Only one conjunction is added. So the foundation stone was laid in 1834, and the hospital opened in 1837. Here you see simple sentence. This is also known as independent clause. Independent clause means it can stand by itself. It has got a subject and a verb. It doesn't require any other portion of the sentence or another sentence to make sense. Then you have another simple sentence here. This is also an independent clause. I'm putting in bracket because when we frame complex sentences, we should know what is independent clause and what is dependent clause. Now, conjunction, coordinating conjunction. Conjunction means, as the word sounds, it is a connector. So, compound sentence is made out of two simple sentences, and those two simple sentences are known as independent clauses, and those two simple sentences are connected with a conjunction. And then you have a compound sentence. So here, case notes. BP 170 by 90 slightly raised temperature. 13 degree, okay, that is 0 should be superscript, sorry for the mistake. And then we have made the simple sentence. This second step is already done, okay, that's why I'm going faster there. Simple sentences were Mr. Brampton's blood pressure was 170 on 90. Mrs. Brampton's temperature was 39. Now, compound sentence. How to make a compound sentence on these things. So this on examination is the introductory phrase, which we are not required here. I just put in brackets. We'll write Mrs. Brampton's BP was 170 on 90 and the temperature was 39 degrees. So, and we have just added the conjunction and here. So you have a compound sentence. So a simple sentence combined with a conjunction is a compound sentence. And in OET, all competitive exams, you are supposed to use variety of sentences to show your competency in grammatical range. No, you know different types of sentences. You cannot keep on writing all the simple sentences. You need to write simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. If I'm going fast, you can stop me, okay? These are simple things, not very, very serious, but you should have an idea. That's all. You do not know what are the contents of all these slides, but you should know what is known as a compound sentence. When I teach you later, transforming the case, I'll tell you we are going to frame, or please frame a compound sentence out of these two simple sentences. Then you should know what is a compound sentence. That's it. You just need an idea, not that you should by heart all these things. Now you see compound sentences, we are going into the three stages, okay? Case notes, then simple sentences, then compound sentences. See, this is the case note. So these were the sentences. Then we had this one sentence. Okay, now see, simple sentence. The sentence actually, she is a regular smoker. No, usually we don't say smoker, but I am just using it for teaching the structure of the sentence. You should not use the word smoker. Maybe you can use she smokes so many cigarettes per day or something like that. She drinks moderately on weekends. These are two simple sentences. Now we are going to frame one compound sentence out of these two sentences, simple sentences. So she is a regular smoker, first one, and the conjunction added, drinks moderately on weekends. Now, the difference is that you need not repeat she. The subject has to be omitted. You need not repeat she. It's not proper to say she is a regular smoker and she drinks moderately. She is a regular smoker and drinks moderately on weekends. She is understood there. So what you have to do? Remove the pronoun here after conjunction. One more example. She gained 8 kg over the past 12 months. She currently weighs 86 kg. These are two simple sentences. The compound sentence is she has gained 8 kg over the past 12 months and currently weighs 86 kg. Again, you see, the she in the second simple sentence is not repeated, that is omitted. You need not repeat that particular she, the pronoun, in the second sentence after the conjunction. Now, compound sentences, independent clause plus independent clause. As I said, one simple sentence which has a subject and verb is known as a independent clause because it makes sense by itself. Two independent clauses joined with a comma and a conjunction. See, we do not have the patient's records, comma, because the procedure was performed at a different facility. Now, this comma is known as Oxford comma. Even if you don't mark this comma, you will not be penalized. Did you understand? This comma after the records. We do not have the records, comma. That is known as a Oxford comma. You will not be penalized if you don't put that comma there. Okay, the procedure was performed. You see, we are changing the order of the sentence. We are going to begin with the second independent clause. The procedure was performed at a different facility, comma. So we do not have the patient's records. We have added the conjunction. So here we have added because. Earlier we added and. Whatever the order of sentences, use comma and conjunction. I'm saying for safer, it's always good to use comma. But then, it's Oxford comma. Sometimes Cambridge and other universities may not expect it, but even if you mark it, they will not be penalized. So it's safer to use. Now, simple sentence means subject, verb, object as we were ordered. Mr. James was sent to the specialist. The cause of her headaches was unknown. These are two simple sentences. Now, compound sentence, independent clause plus independent clause. Two independent clauses joined with a comma and a conjunction. Mr. James was sent to the specialist, comma, because the cause of her headaches was unknown. Okay, it's all same. Just to tell you, these are different ways of formulating compound sentences. What to do with the aspects of past medical history that are either normal or not very important. You have seen this. So this is summarize the things. Then I'll show you how to write one sentence. You see, no smoking or no allergies, no further hair loss, no current medications, no significant medical history, no surgical history, no reported drug use. If you have that, if at all you need word count, you can summarize them into the patient's medical history is unremarkable. Then you have high smoking, smokes 30 cigarettes per day, alcohol on weekends, drinks 3 wine glasses at night. Now what to write? She smokes 30 cigarettes per day and drinks moderately on weekends. She smokes 30 cigarettes per day instead of saying she is a smoker and drinks moderately on weekends.